Hey everyone, welcome to the Simplilearn's YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we will learn about the use of AI in defense. Today, we will be exploring how artificial intelligence is quietly transforming the way and approach of how defense works, one application at a time. From autonomous systems to advanced behavioral analysis, these aren't distant concepts or futuristic ideas, but they are grounded in real frameworks and evolving rapidly in practice. We will take a closer look at how AI is being applied in core areas like decision support, cybersecurity, logistics, and much more. Let's unpack the science behind these innovations and understand how AI is shaping the next chapter in defense strategy. That said, if these are the type of videos you'd like to watch, then hit that like and subscribe buttons and the bell icon to get notified. Also, just that you know, if you want to upskill yourself, master generative AI and artificial intelligence skills to land your dream job or grow in your career, then you must explore Simplilearn's cohort of various generative AI courses and certifications. Simplilearn offers various certification programs in collaboration with some of the world's leading universities like Purdue, IIT Guwahati, and many more. Through our courses, you will gain knowledge and work-ready expertise in skills like advanced Python, machine learning, generative AI, and over a dozen others. That's not all, you also get the opportunity to work on multiple projects and learn from industry experts working in top-tier data and product companies, along with the academics from top universities. After completing these courses, thousands of learners have transitioned into an AI and machine learning role as a fresher or moved on to a higher paying job and profile. If you are passionate about making your career in this field, then make sure to check out the link in the pinned comment and description box below to find a generative AI program that fits your experience and areas of interest. Now, without further delay, let's get started. So the first one on the list is AI-powered mobility and sensing. Autonomous systems like drones or unmanned vehicles rely on AI for independent navigation, mission execution, and real-time environmental awareness. It is a collaborative project that involves various AI and machine learning technologies such as reinforcement learning, sensor fusion, simultaneous localization and mapping, convolutional neural networks, and much more. Let's discuss each one of these. Firstly, reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning helps these systems make sequential decisions such as path planning and obstacle avoidance in dynamic environments. Next, we have sensor fusion. Sensor fusion algorithms combine data from LiDAR, cameras, infrared, and radar to construct a situational map for navigation. Following that, we have SLAM, or also called as simultaneous localization and mapping. Or simply, the SLAM allows real-time mapping and localization in GPS-denied environments. And lastly, the convolutional neural networks. AI also employs CNNs for terrain classification and object detection using navigation. Together, these components enable machines to operate independently, making decisions based on data and not human input. Now, let's move on to the next use of AI in defense systems, which is the behavioral analytics. Behavioral analytics in defense is about identifying anomalies, patterns, or potential threats based on understanding human actions and human behavior. Now, how exactly AI does this? It's done through a series of algorithms and frameworks like facial recognition, computer vision, social signal processing, graphical neural networks, and much more. Let's go through this one at a time. Firstly, computer vision. Computer vision is used to interpret facial expressions, body posture, and movement patterns. Next, facial expression analysis leverages CNNs and attention mechanisms to classify emotional states. Followed by that, social signal processing captures subtle identities like a simple eye gaze, tone, and interpersonal distance using multimodal input. And lastly, graphical neural network, or simply the GNN, models the social interactions between individuals, enabling the system to flag deviation from normal behavior. These technologies combine to help analysts understand not just what is happening, but why, by decoding human intent and anomalies at a scale. Now moving further, we have the next use in defense, which is cyber defense and threat detection. Just imagine a digital sentinel just got real. Cybersecurity in defense isn't about firewalls. It is about detecting novel threats in real time. let's dive into cyber defense and understand how exactly AI will help us in this particular instance. We will have anomaly detection models, natural language processing, recurrent neural networks, and reinforcement learning. Let's go through each one of these at a time. Firstly, AI uses anomaly detection. Anomaly detection models such as autoencoders or one-class SVMs are trained on normal network behavior to flag deviations instantly. Next, we have natural language processing, or for short, NLP, which can help scan communication patterns, emails, and code repositories for phishing or embedded threats. Followed by that, we have recurrent neural networks, or RNN for short, which will help us analyze temporal patterns in system logs to identify time-based attacks or lateral movements. And lastly, reinforcement learning is increasingly used in adaptive intrusion detection systems that evolve with the threat landscape. By training on historical data and real-time data, AI offers proactive rather than reactive defense strategies in digital warfare environments. Now let's move to the next part, which is about the strategic decision support. AI doesn't just execute. It is also a strategist. Decision support systems assist commanders and planners in optimizing outcomes across multiple variables. In simple terms, it continuously extracts intelligence from complex data. How is it made possible is our next question. It is a stage-by-stage process that involves knowledge graphs, Bayesian networks, multi-agent systems, and large language models. Let's go through each one of these at a time. Firstly, the knowledge graphs. Knowledge graphs interlink structured and unstructured data to extract contextual meaning and relationships. Next, the Bayesian network model, probabilistic outcomes based on partial or uncertain data, ideal for what-if scenario planning. And followed by that, the multi-agent systems simulate various actors in a theater, predicting potential strategies, responses, and resource needs. Lastly, the large language models, or LLMs for short, can generate concise summaries and recommendations from thousands of intelligent reports. These systems reduce cognitive load and help defense stakeholders make better decisions with confidence. Now, let's move on to a last and important implementation of AI in defense, which is about the logistics and operational optimization. Operational success often hinges on logistics and smart resource allocations. AI ensures the right resources are delivered to the right place at the right time. Now, let's understand how exactly AI handles this one step at a time. So we have predictive analytics, constrained satisfaction algorithms, swarm intelligence models, digital twins and virtual environments, and much more. Let's go through each one of these at a time. Firstly, predictive analytics. Predictive analytics forecasts demand for supplies, fuel, and personnel based on mission parameters and historical usage. Next, constrained satisfaction algorithms plan routes and allocate resources under strict operational constraints like fuel limits or time windows. Followed by that, we have swarm intelligence models. Inspired by nature, optimize vehicle coordination in real-time, convoy, or fleet movement. Lastly, the digital twins replicate physical systems in virtual environments to test logistical changes without any actual risk. These techniques streamline operations, reduce overhead, and improve mission readiness at a scale. And with that, we have reached the end of this session on the use of AI in defense. Should you have any queries regarding any of the topics covered in this session, or if you require the PPT or any other resources used in this session, then please feel free to let us know in the comment section below, and our team of experts will be happy to assist you at the earliest. Until next time, thank you for watching and stay tuned for more from Simplilearn.
Staying ahead in your career requires continuous learning and upskilling. Whether you're a student aiming to learn today's top skills or a working professional looking to advance your career, we've got you covered. Explore our impressive catalog of certification programs in cutting-edge domains, including data science, cloud computing, cybersecurity, AI, machine learning, or digital marketing. Designed in collaboration with leading universities and top corporations, and delivered by industry experts, choose any of our programs and set yourself on the path to career success. Click the link in the description to know more.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.